I'm telling you, you ain't never seen nothing like this. Look at that crap. I'm gonna have to do something to, I don't know. Look at this. Whoo boy. They run over my nice Bermuda. I'll have a daggone cow. I'm gonna have to do something to prevent that somehow. I don't know how, but something. Hey there, it's Pete with GCI Turf. Hope you're having a great day, and boom! Man, that thing hurt this bad to the bone. She's sleek, she's agile, she's nimble, she's quick, she's orange, and she's got rubber tires. I'm gonna tell you what, it done a trick for what I was doing. This right here is my scalp job on my Bermuda. You can see it's pretty much bit the dust. I still have some green. Look at this. Look at there. Even though I've scalped it, I've still got some green. That Bermuda grows in layers. You spray it and you kind of kill off a little bit, and then mow it down and kill off a little bit more. And then look right here. Look at that green down in there. I'm telling you, it's a dang beast. Common Bermuda is a beast. You can see right here, look at all that right there. So I'm gonna get the Ventrac, blow all these clippings off over there in the woods, get them off of here, leave it nice and clean. And then tomorrow when I get done working, I'll come out here and spray it again. This will be the third application of Roundup, and we'll see what happens. So hey, thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, and share. Tell all your buddies, and don't forget the things you buy on Amazon. Use smile.amazon. Choose the charity Team Jacks, and what that'll do is Amazon will send our foundation a percentage of what you buy, and we take that money with us to Philadelphia and help families that have kids like my son, help them get to the hospital, help them pay their medical bills, buy food, hotel room, whatever they want to use the money for. Me and my wife have a networking group with these families that have kids like my son with thoracic insufficiency syndrome, and we network with them and find out a need and meet that need financially. Rush hour traffic. Alright, so there you go. Subscribe, keep up with my Bermuda project. I actually told you one thing, I'm gonna do another, so stay tuned to that. Nothing major, it's still gonna be Bermuda, but I just got a kind of a different game plan for it. So I'm gonna go get the Ventrac, blow this off, go home. Probably gonna make another video when I get home. Check you later.